You are going to love the 2020 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, remote engine start, automatic transmission, remote power door locks, trailering package, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.